I'm Ron from Coleno, the leading suite app for managing accounts receivable, seamlessly integrated with NetSuite. Today, I will guide you through how to set a subsidiary for an invoice group in NetSuite. For that, you can use the invoicing preferences page, so you can set a default subsidiary for customers who want their invoices grouped, and it can be applied when creating new customers. So you simply go to Setup, Accounting, Invoicing Preferences. Once you're here, you look for the Invoice Groups subtab. Now, before we move on, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials like this. From the Groups Invoice for New Customers list, you simply select the appropriate subsidiary. Please note that only active subsidiaries will appear in the list. If you're not a one-world customer, the only option available will be the parent company. Once you've selected the subsidiary, on the top left, you click on Save. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and thank you for watching.